Hi guys! I'm Rita and I am digital accountant. In today's episode, I will share my review of QuickBooks Self-Employed package. I have been working with QuickBooks Self-Employed, reviewing and analyzing for past 2 weeks. So I have a couple points up my sleeve to actually share with you today. QuickBooks is meant for small or medium-sized businesses. So if you are sole trader, landlord, working in construction industry scheme or have limited company, you will definitely find a suitable QuickBooks package for yourself or your business, what I meant. And as a bonus, if you employ team members in your company or in your business, then you can add for additional fee payroll as well. Great, right? With 4.5 stars given on Trustpilot, based on about 9,000 reviews, I was wondering if this accounting software is worth 4.5 stars, or maybe less, or maybe more stars. So this is my review. Okay, I will get straight to the point. QuickBooks is making tax digital for VAT compliant accounting software. So if you are VAT registered business and you need to submit VAT returns, you can submit those directly from QuickBooks to HMRC. But if you're sole trader business and registered as VAT business as well, you will be not able to submit your VAT returns from QuickBooks Self-Employed package, the package which I tested and trialed for past 2 weeks. You will need to go to next and higher, more expensive, not more expensive, a little bit more expensive package than QuickBooks Self-Employed, which is called QuickBooks Simple Start. From this package, you will be able to submit your VAT returns directly to HMRC. So if you're sole trader, but also you need to submit VAT returns, you will need to go for Simple Start package. QuickBooks Self-Employed not only has a just cloud-based accounting software, so you can connect wherever you are, but it has a mobile app as well. And I want to mention about mobile app in this review. And the reason is because I have noticed a trend. If accounting software on web browser is very good, so in cloud accounting software is very good, then mobile app often would be a weak spot. So it would be not as good as web browser accounting software. But this is not the case with QuickBooks Self-Employed mobile app. First thing what I noticed on App Store, so when I went to download mobile app on App Store, it has 4.6 stars rating based on 13,000 reviews. Quantity versus quality, they both go hand to hand. So if 13,000 people have given their review and it came to 4.6 stars, for sure it should be good mobile app, right? So I downloaded, tested, trialed myself, and it is very good mobile app. So firstly, if you connect your bank account, you can actually swipe to left or to right and decide if this transaction is personal or business related. Easy and simple. Also, you can allow mobile app to track your location, and it would record the trips or journeys on your mobile app. And those trips you can also sort if those are personal or business related. I should note that business related trips will calculate mileage, and per each mileage there is 0.45 cents allowable to claim towards your expenses as part of your self-assessment. Great, right? Mobile app is not complicated. It has only 5 icons at the bottom. Dashboard, where you can see an overview of your business. Transactions, which if you have connected your bank, they will be pulled automatically from your bank account. Then there is mileage, where you can see your trips and sort out between personal and business. Invoices, if you need to issue invoices to your customers, just don't forget that you need to manually mark those invoices as paid when you receive that money in your bank account. And last but not least important is taxes. So you can see where you are as of today based off your information, what you have available on your software or mobile app, how much tax you would be liable to pay, or how far you are from your allowances, or are you going above your allowances or you are under. Easy and simple. Also, you can look at your profile and amend if you need to amend any changes. So overall, would I give 4.6 stars to mobile app? I would give possible a little bit more. QuickBooks Self-Employed is cash basis only accounting software. If you're wondering what is the difference, well, cash basis accounting method means that only when money hits your bank account, okay, I shouldn't be using hit. So when you receive money or when you actually spend money, that's when those transactions, so income and expenses, will be recorded and displayed in your self-assessment report. So only when you receive or actually spend money, that will be going towards your self-assessment. If you have issued invoices for 1 million but you haven't received money yet in your bank account, you cannot record that 1 million as your business income. However, if you would use accrual basis accounting method, that would mean that you would be able to record your invoices as well as record bills as expenses, even if you haven't received that money in your bank account or if you haven't spent it yet. However, QuickBooks Self-Employed package doesn't support accruals basis accounting method. So that means that if you as a sole trader are using accruals based accounting method, you will need to go for the next package, which is called QuickBooks Simple Start. So QuickBooks Self-Employed is only cash basis accounting software. So money in and money out. QuickBooks Self-Employed package doesn't support bank statement uploads month-on-month basis. So you are left only with two options. Either you connect your bank account and transactions will be pulled through automatically from your bank into your self-employed accounting package. In that case, you will be able to sort out all those transactions on a daily basis, or you need to enter transactions manually, one by one. So there is no middle way to upload bank statement at the end of month and sort transactions out. No. However, if you start to use QuickBooks Self-Employed package from 31st July, for example, then you will be able to upload historic transactions from 6th of April until 31st July, so for this tax year, and sort those transactions out between business, personal, or even if you need to split those transactions. So you are able to upload historic transactions, but you will be not able to upload bank statements on a monthly basis going forward after this 31st July. Such a disappointment. As a sole trader, the most important and key report is self-assessment. And QuickBooks Self-Employed actually provides you real-time self-assessment access, so you can see your business income, your business expenses, and provisional liability based on those numbers entered on your self-assessment. And not only is that you can see your total of income and total expenses, you can actually click on totals and it will show you breakdown of what combines this total up. Another point what I want to mention is that expenses on self-assessment are split in two columns. Allowable expenses for your business purposes and disallowable expenses for your business purposes. So you can actually look into more details and understand maybe you have categorized some expenses in the wrong places and amend or adjust accordingly. So you've got correct information for your self-assessment purposes. And at the bottom, you are able to see total of income tax and national insurance contributions for class 2 and class 4. So if you enter information on daily basis, so you can check on daily basis how much tax you would be liable to pay today and also manage in the future. So if your business are in middle of the year, so halfway through, and your tax provision is about 500 or 700 pounds, then if you will make the same income and the same expenses in the next half a year, then your liability will increase. So you can start to put aside a cash for your tax liability, what you would need to pay at the end of your tax year. So QuickBooks Self-Employed Self-Assessment Report is so nice presented, as well as giving you an option to check your allowable expenses and disallowable expenses as well. Another point what I want to mention is about QuickBooks Self-Employed issued invoices and transactions. There is no link between transactions and issued invoices, so you will be not able to mark invoices as paid from transactions section. You will need to go and manually mark invoices as paid once you have actually received money. So once you record transaction as incoming money, as a business income, you will need to go also to invoices section and mark invoice as paid. And the reason is because QuickBooks Self-Employed is cash basis accounting software. Okay guys, going back to very beginning of this review, I said that QuickBooks Self-Employed, no, not QuickBooks Self-Employed, QuickBooks overall is rated at 4.5 stars on Trustpilot. So how many stars I would give QuickBooks Self-Employed package? Let's think, 4.9. I would give 4.9 stars to QuickBooks Self-Employed due to simplicity and user-friendly interface on the web browser as well as on mobile app. It's easy to understand, navigate, and especially if you connect your bank account, life will be easier to record your transactions. However, the reason why I took 0.1 point away is because I cannot upload bank statements on monthly basis once I have uploaded historic transactions. And maybe there is an option or improvement for QuickBooks Self-Employed to actually allow connect transactions, mainly business income transactions, and mark invoices as paid from transactions tab. Just a maybe. So I hope you found my QuickBooks Self-Employed review useful, but if you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also guys, I have shared the link in the description section below to my complete QuickBooks Self-Employed tutorial, where I am taking role as a sole trader and running my laundry business. So I'm using QuickBooks Self-Employed accounting software to record my transactions and manage my business operations. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out how it went. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next episode. Bye!